What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video by Real FX. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can trade the NFP using technical analysis. Now in this video we are going to be using most of the things that I usually teach on this YouTube channel, which is SMC concept. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can predict the NFP movement hours before it takes place. Okay, so for example, let's say we are having a structure like this. We are breaking structure to the upside, and guys, you should always do this on the 15 minutes time frame, because the NFP is something that happens quickly, and then if you dive into the higher time frames you can rarely see the movement of the NFP. So you should always do this on a lower time frame like the 15 minutes. Now as you can see here, we are busy breaking structure to the upside, here, and here we are also breaking structure to the upside. Here we are also breaking structure to the upside. Now when we see something like this, we know that we are breaking structure to the upside, and whatever news event that is going to take place is more likely going to be following what the technical analysis was saying. The fundamentals do not change the direction of the market. They just increase volatility in the market, and they make the market move faster than expected. So as you can see here, if we were somewhere here, if the market does something like this, it starts retracing to the downside like this, and then it taps into a significant area that we could be having right around this area. And then if this happens like 15 minutes before the release of the NFP, we know that the chances are high that the market will shoot to the upside during the NFP, because we know that the fundamentals do not change the direction of the market. They only speed the market up. So instead of the whole move, this move taking like 5 hours or 4 hours to push to the upside, we know that it's going to happen in like 15 minutes or 30 minutes, something like that. So what you should do is you should go to your 15 minutes time frame. You should mark out your structure, and after marking out your structure, the next thing you want to see yourself doing is you want to make sure that you put your buying position, and then you target your high. Okay, but what I would suggest that you do is you make sure that you take whatever that satisfies you in the market, and then you stay out of the market. Remember, NFP makes the market very volatile, so the market can still push to the downside before reaching this point, or even coming back to take out this. So you should stay in the market for at least 15 minutes to 30 minutes, and then you exit the market. But it's very important that you should know that it's possible for you to predict the market without even using investing.com or CNBC to try to figure out the direction. Now here we are going to see how we could have caught the NFP on NASDAQ on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so as you can see here, the first part is you should understand the structure that is busy taking place in your NASDAQ. So as you can see here, we are busy breaking structures to the downside. We are busy breaking structures to the downside. As you can see here, it's a breakout of structure. Okay, so we are breaking structures to the downside. So whenever we know that they are about to release the NFP news, that doesn't change the fact that we still think that the market is going to be pushing to the downside. As you can see, remember how I taught you guys, if we break to the downside, we look for our QML level. So as you can see here, here's our QML level, and if you don't know anything about QML level, do check it out in my previous videos. I did make many videos about it. So as you can see here, this is our QML level. The market came into this area and then pushed to the downside. It pushed back up. Where is our QML level? Here is our QML level. It came to this level and then it pushed again to the downside. Now during this, we can see, okay, it pushed to the downside. So it's a retracement, it's a push, it's a retracement, it's a push again, a retracement, and then another push. So what is it that we are looking for? We are looking for a QML, which we know that the market will respect again before it start pushing to the downside. This is our QML. QMLs are very important, guys, and they do work. They work like 80% of the time. Okay, so if you put this here, if you put this over there, you can see that this is our QML level, and we're expecting to see what we're expecting to see the market push to the upside, tap into that QML level, and then shoot to the downside. Okay, so remember, we are in the market for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, what happened here is that the market was pushing to the upside, and then eventually it tapped into our QML level. As you can see, they tap into our QML level a couple of minutes before our push to the downside of the NFP. So as you can see here, like I said, guys, you are in and out. So the market tapped into our QML level minutes before the NFP news release, and then it shot to the downside. So this is how you could have caught this trade, guys. It's possible to catch the NFP news release without using the CNBC or the investing.com to try to find the direction. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you made it till the end, don't forget to like the video and be sure to check out my next videos.